What is the measure in radians of a central angle that intercepts an arc length of 12 pi centimeters in a circle with a diameter of 36 centimeters? So let me first take some notes. So here I have an arc length that is 12 pi. I have a diameter that's 36 centimeters. The question wants me to find the central angle in radians. Okay, well, anytime you're dealing with angles and arc length, you need to remember the formula. Arc length is radius times theta. So let me write this down again. So it's arc length. Arc length is represented by S equals radius times theta. Theta is actually the central angle in radian form. So if I were to give you like a sketch, and of course this is now drawn to scale, this is the diameter and they said it's 36 centimeters. This would be the radius. And if we're talking about a central angle is when the vertex is at the center of the circle. This will be called a central angle, so that's right here. And this right here would be the arc length. Now, we really didn't need to draw the picture, but I just gave you a visual so you understood the parts. So let's start again. Arc length is radius times theta. Okay, memorize that. Notice that we need the radius. So since we have given the diameter, to find the radius, we're going to divide the diameter by 2. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So the radius is 18 centimeters. So let me plug that in. Now, I don't know what the central angle is in radians, so that's my theta. That's like a variable. And my arc length is 12 pi. So I substituted the necessary information. I want to solve for theta, so the opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide the right by 18, so that cancels. And I'm going to divide the left by 18. Notice in the multiple choices, 12 pi over 18 is not there because we have to simplify the fraction. 12 and 18 are both divisible by 6. So if I divide the top and bottom by 6, I get 2 pi over 3, which is choice 3.